To start with Settings Dashboard. Settings Dashboard is enhanced with the following settings: notification settings, allocation rules, package rule settings, communication settings, SLA management tool, sample items, company settings, map settings, term settings, sound notifications, emails, and tags. We will start with notification settings. Notification settings allows admins to set, target, and send notifications for selected events. Notifications can be filtered into two categories: target and event. Those two categories may be found by clicking Notification Settings and Filter By. So, event category refers to the type of event regarding order delivery process, also known as order status. Target refers to the user type who will receive notifications from the system. I will walk you through creation and setting of both categories of events. We will start with events. Select events from the drop-down menu and select type of event. For example, arrived. You can see a list of receivers and two blank fields: courier type and city. Please fill those in. As an example, we will choose Express, and as a city, for example, Amudarya. Then you need to pick a receiver from the list given below. We will pick Account Manager. Once we have picked the receiver, we need to choose a communication mean, i.e. SMS, push, order note, email, WhatsApp, or Telegram. In this case, we will choose SMS. So we have our previous selections locked in the menu given above. Now we need to add a name, message, and subject of a notification. For a name, we will go with Account Manager 1. As a subject, we will just choose a default subject, subject 1, and as a message, you need to add a description. Once that has been done, we need to pick variables: actual recipient, actual sender, alert created time, alert dismissed time, alert driver name, or alert status. It is up to you to decide which type of variable you want to select. For now, we will pick actual recipient, and date methods. We need to pick any date method given in the menu below. Get month value, for example. Now, to log the changes, we need to press submit. Once you see successfully saved button, it means that you've done everything correct and you can move on. Target category. So if you wish to set and send notifications based on target category, i.e. to a specific group of users, the first step would be to select a certain group of receivers from the drop-down menu. So once you have selected the target, you can press Target field and select a target group. For example, this would be customer support. Second step would be to fill in the courier type and location fields by selecting one option from the drop-down menus. For example, Express and Antigen. Below you can see a list of order statuses that the target group will be notified about. For example, unassigned, assigned to courier company, driver assigned, driver on his way, arrived, and you can see a full list by scrolling down. So as an example, we'll pick unassigned, and we need to pick a communication mean, i.e. SMS, push, order note, email, WhatsApp, and Telegram. We will select SMS. You can see the changes that have been made previously locked in the menu above, and you need to give a name. For example, customer support 1, subject. For example, we'll put subject 1 and add a message. Now we need to select a variable. A full list can be seen by scrolling down the menu. For now, we will pick actual recipient. Variable means an automatic data retrieving method. And date method, you can see a full list by scrolling down the menu. For example, this would be get day of month. Now we need to press submit to lock in the changes, and you will see successfully saved as a confirmation that you have done everything correctly.